10 tips and tricks to master the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Tip number 1. Smooth camera movements. Move the camera up and down using the gimbal wheel. Gently roll the wheel on your remote for smooth transitions. Slow movements look cooler. Tip number 2. Practice in open spaces. Fly in a park with no trees or people when you're learning. Check the wind on a weather app. Low wind speed equals easier flying. Tip number 3. Time-lapse magic. Shoot cars on a highway moving like ants by using hyperlapse. Select hyperlapse mode, set your route, and let the drone do the work. Tip number 4. To follow up a construction progress. Capture how a building grows over time with weekly shots or videos. Record the same spot every few weeks. Using your drone, you can take cool pictures and videos of buildings as they're being torn down. Use the zoom to get close-up shots without going too close, and try the 4K video mode to make everything look super clear. You can also take really detailed pictures with the 48-megapixel camera to show off the progress. Builders and businesses might pay you for these awesome shots to use in their projects or ads. Blend wide shots with close-ups. Pair sweeping aerial shots of the entire site with detailed close-ups of specific features. For example, start with a wide shot showing the overall site layout. Gradually zoom in to highlight progress on certain sections, such as walls, roofing, or landscaping items. Tip number 5. Pre-made cool moves. Use quick shots like circle to fly in a perfect circle around the construction site. Pick a mode in the DJI application, and the drone does the move itself. Record the same spot every few weeks. Using a drone to map a construction site is like creating a big, detailed picture of the area from the sky. Developers use these maps to see how their project is growing and plan where everything should go. Drones can help measure distances, areas, and even how much dirt or materials are on site, which saves time and money. They also make it safer because you don't need people to check dangerous places in person. Plus, these maps and videos look amazing and can be shared with clients to show how the building is coming along. It's fun and super useful. Tip number 6. Real estate flyovers. Show a house's garden and roof from different perspectives with a top-down view. Fly up high, then tilt the camera straight down. Go around the whole property and let the horizon to be shown in the big frame while you go up and complete the circle. This might seem easy, but it takes a little practice. Nothing you cannot achieve after a couple of months flying your drone. Now place your drone right above the property in hand and practice with the default settings of your drone. Try a drone shot or a rocket from different angles and let the video speak for itself. One of my favorite smart settings for showcasing a property are circle medium and circle far. These settings are particularly effective in highlighting the unique features of a property from an aerial perspective. This comprehensive visual approach can significantly enhance the appeal of a property and potentially expedite the selling process. Tip number 7. Auto versus Pro modes. Start with Auto mode. It makes the drone adjust things like brightness for you. Switch to Pro mode when ready and set ISO to 100 for bright days. This makes your shots clearer. For top Instagram photos, use the DJI Mini 3 Pro's Auto or Pro settings. Even with basic photography skills, you'll get impressive, ready-to-post images without extra editing. This drone makes capturing professional-looking shots a breeze. Tip number 8. Using Active Track. Use Active Track in open areas with few obstacles for best results. The drone's tridirectional obstacle sensors help avoid collisions, but maintaining a safe distance from obstructions ensures smooth and stable tracking, whether following a person or another moving target. For example, when using the parallel tracking function, you may need to manually follow your subject. With a bit of practice, this can be done efficiently. Let's follow myself for a couple of seconds. Tip number 9. Safety first. Use the DJI Mini 3 Pro's obstacle sensors to avoid crash, especially in tight spaces like real estate properties. Enable return to home RTH to safely return if the battery is low or the signal is lost. Tip number 10. Night flying. Ensure your drone's navigation and anti-collision lights are on. This not only helps you keep track of the drone's orientation, but also makes it visible to others. Flying lower and slower than usual at night can help avoid obstacles and enhance safety. And there you have it. I hope these 10 tips and tricks can help you develop and enhance your drone business. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or an enthusiastic amateur, these insights are designed to make your flying safer and your results more professional. If you're interested in collaborating, whether for projects, advice, or just sharing experiences, feel free to reach out. I would love connecting with the drone community and growing together. Happy flying!